That's probably some of the chow.
It is.
Go ahead, Sadie. Chico.
She's like, nobody wants to play with me anymore.
I know. She wants nothing to do with them, and now it's like, come on, have the fun.
Play with me, play with me.
Kobe, go see Sadie.
No, I got somebody smaller that I can pick on.
You see Kobe. They're like puppies.
They are puppies. She's still technically a puppy. If she's only a year old.
No, they think she's a year and 7 months.
Oh, a year and 7 months? Well, anything under 2, I think, is still technically a puppy.
Oh. Oh.
She just rolls over.
Yeah, once that, then we gotta get her in.
What do we have to do?